Assalamualaikum. Nama saya Kamriam. Kota tadi FA24F1021. Kini proses perkawinan. Proses perkawinan merujuk kepada lakak. Jika mati, untuk mereka menjalani dan melaporkan tak jadi kewajiban. Ia bertujuan mengakibatkan laporan kewajiban yang tepat bagi membantu membuat kepentingan buku akaun. Digunakan untuk melakukan urus jasa tunai termasuk tunai diterima dan tunai dibayar. Pelajar menggunakan buku tunai untuk menjejaki aliran tunai yang mereka. Buku tunai menjadi kajian menerima tunai tak berbayaran tunai. Semua diterima kita dan apakah kepentingan? Pertama, berpatauan aliran tunai. Dapat memutarkan aliran tunai masuk tak keluar bagi mempastikan kelancaran operasi pelajaran. Kedua, penyelesaian laporan kewajiban. Memutarkan penyelesaian laporan seperti penanda utologi, menata aliran tunai tak uji kira-kira. Ketiga, mengelakkan penipuan dan kesilapan. Buku akaun yang lengkap.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Noramiza Shamimi Bidrosli. My matric number is 01DFI24F1012. I will explain about step in accounting process. The accounting process begin with recording business transaction using information derived from source document. The source document serve as evidence of transaction and come in various forms depending on the nature of the transaction. For example, invoice, bill, receipt, debit note, credit notes, and voucher. Second, books of prime entry. Once the source document are obtained, the transactions are classified and recorded in the appropriate books of prime entry. This includes cash book, journals such as general journal, purchase journal, sales journal, written inward journal, written outward journal, cash payment and receipt journal. Third, posting to ledgers. After journal, the totals from the journal are posted to the respective account in the ledger, a step known as posting. The ledgers are classified into first, general ledger, second, sales and debtor ledger, and third, purchase and creditor ledger. Then, preparation of trial balance. At the end of each month or accounting period, a trial balance is prepared. This serves to ensure that all transactions have been correctly recorded and the debit and credit are balanced. If problems are found, necessary adjustments are made to correct errors or to account for accrual and prepayment, doubtful debits, and depreciation. And lastly, preparation of financial statement. When adjustments are complete and the trial balance is accurate, financial statement can be prepared. This include first, statement of profit or loss, and second, statement of financial position. This statement provide a summary of the business financial performance and position for the period. Next, books of account. First, journal. Journal is a sheet in which all business transaction entries are recorded in chronological order. Journal can be categorized as first, general journal. General journal is a basic journal used to record all business transaction that cannot be recorded in cash book or special journal. The transaction recorded in general journal are first, the purchase and sales of fixed asset on credit, the correction of errors, writing of bad debits, opening balance entries, drawings of goods, and increase in capital. Then, general journal with narration. The purpose of the narration is to enable anyone who reads it to get a preliminary idea of why the entry is being recorded. Second, special journal. Used to record a specific types of transaction only, such as purchase journal, sales journal, purchase return journal, and sales return journal. First, purchase journal. The purchase journal is a list of record of all credit purchase for each period. Second, sales journal. The sales journal is a list of record all credit sales for each period. Third, sales return or return inward journal. The return inward journal is used to record goods returned to us from customer. The reason customer returning good to us, such as goods were of the wrong types, goods were the wrong color, and goods were faulty. And lastly, purchase return or return outward journal. The return outward journal is used to record goods returned by us to our suppliers.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Siti Nur Amalia Iliana binti Mama Ikwan and my metric number is 01DFI24F0123 and I will explain about ledgers. Ledgers is summarized records of accounts from journals. They are divided into different accounts such as asset, liabilities, income and expenses. It acts as the backbone of the accounting system, helping businesses organize, track and summarize their financial activities. Now, I will explain about ledger roles. First, organization of financial data. The first point is classification of transaction, which is each type of transactions, sales, purchases, expenses, and etc. is categorized into specific accounts in the ledger. Next, account structure. The ledger uses separate accounts to track different aspects of the business's financial position. It includes asset, liabilities, equity, income, and expenses. Third is chart of accounts. This is listing of all accounts used in ledgers. It provides a systematic structure to track various transactions. Second is recording and summarizing financial transactions. The first point is chronological recording, which is initially transactions are recorded in the journal. The information is then transferred to the appropriate accounts in the ledger through a process called posting. Second is summarizing. Each account in the ledger provides a summary of all the debits and credit for the account. This makes it easy to see how each transaction has affected the financial position of the business. And the next slide is some of ledger's example. Next is subsidiary book. These are special journals used for specific transactions before they are transferred to the general ledger, such as sales, purchases, and return. These books serve as more detailed and they help businesses organize transactions more efficiently. These are some of subsidiary book roles. First, detailed recording of specific transactions. There are some types of subsidiary book, which is sales book for records all the credit sales transaction, purchase book record all credit purchases, cash book record all cash related transactions, both receipts and payment, receivable book track the receipt of promissory notes or bills, bills payable book track the business's obligations to pay promissory notes or bills. Last but not least, journal proper for transactions that don't fit in the other subsidiary books. Second is streamlining the recording process. It allows businesses to maintain organized records by categorizing specific type of transactions. Third is improving accuracy and efficiency. Transactions are first recorded in the subsidiary books that match the type of transaction. This division of tasks help ensure accuracy and reduce the workload for accountants. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Kesimpulan, bloke pelakauan buku akam memakai peranan penting dalam memastikan ketepatan dan kepercayaan bloke kewajiban dan kebuah pilihan. Bloke pelakauan melakumi bila kala ketika mati termati mereka mengklasifikasi, menganalisi dan mereka kata kewajan. Manakala buku akal berfungsi untuk mengibar leko seperti bagi membutakan temakan dan outing. Melalui 3 pelaksanaan yang teratur. Penyajian tahapan pertama, menilai ketujuh keluarga nasional dan membuat keputusan berkata-kata yang tepat. Kedua, menurut keluarga kena lebih lengkap, membolehkan pelajar belajar dan belajar lebih baik. Ketiga, memenuhi keperluan utuh-utuh dan bertukar kena mengekia dan pola keluarga yang lengkap dan baik. Keempat, meningkatkan keyakinan pihak berkepentingan seperti pelapor dan berpegang ke atas keupayaan pelajar. Kesimpulannya, 3 pelaksanaan yang baik membantu pelajar mencapai keterampilan keluarga dan bertujuan yang mampan. Terima kasih.